Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 71 Chevy El Camino. See, speedometer works, we're going 50. Actually goes down the road pretty nice. Do have a little bit of rear end hum, but tranny shifts good. Steers nice. Biggest problem with this El Camino is she's a little rusty, but definitely got a lot of things going for it as a project car. You know, it's pretty much complete, and it runs and drives. You can just drive it the way it is. See, we're going down the road 60 miles an hour. Steering wheel shakes a little bit, but not much. Seems like a pretty tight car. There's kind of a bump. Yeah, not a bunch of rattles, so still got a lot of things going for it. We got some nicer El Caminos. Currently I got a 66 and a 67. So a whole different price range, all done. But so we've got something for everybody. Also have another project one coming in that is supposedly an SS 454 car. We'll see. I haven't run the numbers or anything or found any proof that it was, but right now it is an SS badge car with a 454. This is just a 350 automatic, 350 turbo automatic car. So if you're looking for an El Camino or project, this would be a good one, or call me on my other one, 605-695-7391.